Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now a quick service job, changing air filter on the engine on the 2003 Toyota Camry 2.4 liter. It's very simple, just open the front. There. Then we have the air filter box here. You see you need a, guess it's 10mm there, 10mm there. So now just pick up the tools. Just screw up the 10mm here. See I put on a long stick here. There. Then we have a 10mm in the back. It's a little hard to come in, so I can't hold the camera while I'm screwing it out. Those screws are just hanging on. There. My filter was very dirty. I got a new one, and it tells me on the old one it say that this is the upper side and this is to the front. I have a squared off corner. Then I see on the new one I have a squared off corner here. This is going to be up and front. See if we just get it in. There. Drop down where it's supposed to. Just to get this one to go in the points back here. A little problem with all the things standing in my way. There. Now it's dropped in the right places. Then I just put back the screws. There. And then the screw in the front. There. That was a very simple job. 2 10mm screws. Then the other thing people should think about is this is called the mass airflow sensor. Air is coming in the bottom of this box, going through the filter and going into the engine. This sensor is measuring air flow and air temperature. I have put on some videos of how to clean it. Just open off here and 2 screws. I put a link in the top of the video. Going to be up here. for you where you can go. I also in the description here I put a link to that video, because I've done a clean MAF sensor on Camrys, Land Cruisers, Celicas, everything. Very important. If that one get dirty, get messed up information, and yeah, give you a problem. But no, this very dirty filter is changed, and it should be happy life from there on that one. So very simple service job. I bought the filter together with some other parts. It cost me very little. I buy a lot of parts for a lot of different projects, so then I can order it together, and that was 70-80 Norwegian kroners with the transportation and everything. And I bought it together with other things. Yeah. If you liked my video, please put a thumbs up and write comments, and yeah, and start to follow my channel, of course. Very important for me.